What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. If you're just viewing, welcome, 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 welcome. In today's video, we are about to install this wig. It is an old wigs of mine. I wear it a lot, but it is so convenient and so nice and so easy to wear, so therefore I just go ahead with it to do this 90s style. This is optional. My hair was a little bit damp, so I just put a little got to be spray and I just blow dry so it be as flat as possible. Then I slide on that wig. But before we get any further in the video, let's recognize these people that subscribe to my channel, turn on their notification bell, and already share my video. To get a shout out like this, please turn on your notification bell, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you just share the little video now. Share the little video, but get right back into the wig. um it's already cut, it's already fit my head, it's already whatever. So all I had to do is get the little hair out the way and just watch the video, people, and try to understand more than I try to explain, because sometimes I don't explain properly, but if you look what I doing, you will probably understand better. But anyways, let's get back to me trying to explain. So I make sure it is to where I want it before I spray the got to be spray. After that, I sprayed the got to be spray, and all I did was to use the blow dryer and blow dry it at a cool or not so warm, but you can use cold, it's better. And then you just use the blow dryer and blow dry it. That's all. I made a little bit of mistake, which is not really a mistake. I wasn't worried about it too much, but I put it on my hair instead of I put it on the lace itself. That was just a little bit of mistake, because remember the wig is already old, it's reinstallment, so therefore I don't have much layers. It was getting fade away. I don't think I wear it back this week anymore. But anyways, I do the same thing to go around and around and around until I finish. You have to make sure you got to be spray everything and it's lay as flat as possible. Guys, I overnight flat iron the wig, because I know I wasn't going to have time in the morning to flat iron it to go where I going. It was a vlog before this hairstyle. And we go straight. At this time, I was listening to some song and dancing and feeling myself. And then see, that's it. Then I get my little elastic band, because I didn't have the little I made my baby hair. After I made my baby hair, I just use a little foam, a little mousse to make that little scoop to the side. Remember, it is an old wig, so I don't have much baby hair. I don't have much this, because I wear this wig more than 10 times already. Because I just love the sharpness of it. I think I'm going to buy one more. I get this wig off Amazon. If you would like to know, I will leave the link for you. Here I was just trying to get it into place to make sure when I tie it down, it is already in place. And just get my little mousse and I just put it to the edge and just make my little soup, and then I tie it down. If you want to know how to get your wig flat and well straightened, you can leave a comment and I do a video for you. And then I just tie it down with my little elastic band, tiggy tiggy tiggy. And then I went ahead and I hold a shower and I half do my makeup. This is me. I know I look crazy. I know because I didn't take out the excess powder as yet. All I do, I touch where I didn't get touched with my brush. And then I proceed to do the style, that little nice style that I was thinking about in my brain. This 90s style. My hair look a little bit white. It's not really white. I don't know because I put the got to be spray on the ear instead of the lace. But then again, it's an old wig. I don't really have lace. Then I go ahead and I do my little sweep. But therefore, then I go back and then I pull it up and then I brush my face off because then I realize, Patrice, you can't move back the ear to do the makeup. So why are you doing that? Then they'll brush out the makeup off of brush out the powder off your face and then you do your sweep. But you know this sweep was more better than the one that I achieved after. But nevertheless, my style come out. Come out, you know? This is when I realized I have to take off some other excess powder for me to do my little sweep. And then I go ahead and I do that. Then I create my little sweep. And for my sweep to stay in place for the rest of the day, I just put a little, just a little got to be spray to the side and leave it here dry. And this sweep was giving me a little bit of history, you know, to get together. But then again, everything takes time for you to do and achieve, okay? Period. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. We are almost there. We are almost there. Thank you guys so much for being a part of my family. And I love you guys. I love you guys so much. But don't forget to leave a comment. I want you guys to interact with me so I know if you guys enjoy the video or you guys feel about my video. I just want you guys to talk to me. So just leave a comment. Leave a comment. Sorry for my stuffiness. I wake up with an allergy, like a real bad allergy. So now I'm having allergy. Yeah, but when I get it to my liking, I just spray a little got to be spray. Or I take out a little scoop there. Then I spray a little got to be spray to keep it in place. Not a lot. And then leave it air dry. And then now I'm going to do my little, what do you call that now? Flip. I was thinking whether to go underneath or over, but I said, you know what, let me just do a 90s style and I just do the flip and I just do one flip, go around until it look like it nice, then I just, yeah. Yeah, you can try this style, it's very nice. I was going to a brunch, it was a vlog before this. So it was a video before this one. So my baby there was want me to play peekaboo with him while I do my hair. So that was what I do. Now he come for a hug. I give him a hug and he gone about his business. Oh, it's so nice. Yes, guys, I have a son. I have a little baby son. Yeah, he's 4. He's making 4 June. So I don't know why I said he's 4. He's making 4 June. You see me with the makeup on my head? It's because I was doing my makeup and after I get the flip that I want, I just go ahead and I take out my excess powder to get ready and then this is the looks after, not no, but after just now. And then I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful, and I hope you guys can try to install your own wig someday. But one love and take care of yourself. And thank you so much for like, share, and subscribing to my video. Just leave a like, and I love you. Sorry for my stuff in this, but this is beautiful to me. Okay.